Hey guys, what's going on with the fire? What's going on? Yeah. What's going on with the fire?
Hot. It's hot.
It's very hot. It's very hot. Look at that fucking thing burn, man. Look at that thing burn. Who's that? Fuzzy? Fuzzy! What are you doing?
Trying to dry my ass out.
Oh, gee, what?
Sat in water.
Water.
Let me do you think you can get close enough to that fire to grab the bottom of that pallet and flip it into it?
I'm gonna try.
Can you do it?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
Alright, go ahead, Hush. Try
What am
that.
I grabbing?
The bottom of that pallet and flipping it into the fire.
I'm gonna get this on tape.
No. Where the wood is, you can grab. Where the wood's not burnt.
Right there?
Right there. Flip it. Flip
into the
that.
fire.
Right. Flip it over into the fire. Or just push it.
Yeah.
Hush, if I've ever... Yeah, alright, it's been recorded. You gotta say that. The coolest part is you doing that in the